Hello guys, how are you? We have question 2. It says two identical resistors C1 and C2 are connected to a power supply of potential difference V as shown in the opposite circuit. If the distance between the plates of C1 is reduced to half its value, prove that the potential difference across C1, is equal to V over 3. So I need the potential difference of C1 after the reduction or the reducing of the distance. Okay. So let's start by listing the information that we have. Since they say they are identical, it means that C1 equals to C2, which I'll name it C. Okay. The second information given is that the new distance between the plates of capacitor 1, I'll name it D1 prime, equals to half D1. Okay, which means that C1 prime, which I'm going to call it C prime, okay, is going to be epsilon A over D1 prime. Okay, and this will give me that C prime equals to is going to be epsilon A, this is A, half D, which equals 2 epsilon A over D1, of course, here over D1, which means that C prime equals to 2C. Okay, so this is the second information. This was here the first information given. Okay, now I want the voltage in the C1. Okay, so I want V1, guys. V1 is going to be charge over capacitance. Since it's after reducing, I'll call it V1 prime. So it's going to be C prime. Okay, we got C prime right here. Now we need to understand that the charge here, it's the same charge of the battery. So it is the total charge. It is the total charge. Okay? Because the C1, as you can see, it is connected directly with the battery, so it is it has the same charge of the battery. Okay, so the total charge, how can I find it, is going to be total capacitance multiple total voltage. Okay, I'll name it V total, which is V in general. So let's find the C total. Of course, this is after reducing. Remember that C2 stayed as it was, so it's going to be 1 over C, which is the C2, plus 1 over 2C, which is the C1 prime, here minus 1. I hope how you know this from math. It's adding two fractions. Okay, let me go up a little bit here. I need to have the same denominator, right? So I'll write for the first fraction, multiply up and down by 2. Okay, plus 1 over 2C to the power minus 1. I multiplied up and down by 2 to make it like the same denominator. So we'll have 3 over 2C and here to the power minus 1. And this will give me, I will go up here and write the C total is, I flip, is going to be 2C over 3. Okay? This is the C total. Okay, let me change the color here. I'll choose the blue. Okay, good. Where do I use this one? I'm going to use it right here to find the Q, and then I use it right here. So Q equals C total, which is 2C over 3, multiply the V total, which is basically V. Okay, now use this formula in the V1 prime. Okay, in here. Okay, V1 prime is going to be Q, which is 2C over 3V, over the C prime, which we found it, 2C over 2C. Now is the moment of truth. C with C are cut, 2 with 2 are cut. What do I still have? I have 1/3 of V, or I can write it as V over 3. Okay, I know it's a little bit long, but feel free to watch again if you want to make sure of some steps. Okay, if you have any question, please leave it under the video. Have a great day. Bye bye.